Look at that shit. You can see the water. It's flooding the connector. Look at that. More than likely that's it. So I'm gonna plug it and test the alarm. Should I show you what's going on first? Oh shit. What's it saying on the computer? Yeah, here we go. Communication with alarm siren has a malfunction. Communication with tow-away protection has a malfunction. Communication with interior protection sensor has a malfunction. So I'm hoping that that's all down to the alarm siren, as it's an ECU as well having a problem. So quickly show you if the fault is still occurring. See, alarm's going off straight away. Boom, 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 boom. Flashing in the dash. Sheesh, really can't see flashing. Alright, let's disconnect this alarm siren and see if it fixes. Come on, let's see. Unplugged alarm siren on the floor. Clear water damage in there. Yeah, it's happened. Alright, disconnected. Let me lock the car now. Fuck. Well, it's fixed it, but that beeping noise you was hearing before wasn't the alarm siren, so I've come down here thinking I'm chasing the alarm siren, and it was actually the horn that's beeping. But look, problem's fixed though. No more mad flashing, yeah? So job done. Quick money. Getting out of here. Customer needs to replace that, but I think they're refurbishing the house, so they ain't got the money. Bye.